Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will let you get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Unfortunately, if you also do this, the device will probably become FRP locked, meaning that once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup of it, the device will force you to connect to Wi-Fi and then also tell you that you need to verify the old user's data by either providing the old signed in Google account on this device or Samsung account, or the PIN, pattern, or password, whatever was used as a screen lock. Now, obviously, you can choose to either use the account or the screen lock as an option. You don't need to do both. Now, for me, the device will become FRP locked because I'll also be making on the next video a guide on how we can bypass this. So if you're interested in doing so, stay tuned for the next video. Now going back to this one, to begin, we will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. I have one prepared right here just for that. And let's start off by turning off our device. Oh, actually there will be a little problem with that statement. If you try to turn off the device, normally, come on, get out of the screen. You try to turn it off, it should, give us a pattern. So what we need to do is hold power key and volume down. This will forcibly turn off the device. Once that happens, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So we can just plug it in right away. There we go. And start holding power key and volume down. You do want to interact with the display just so it doesn't time out. And this will give you a visual indication when the phone actually turns off. Because otherwise the screen could just time out and you could confuse this with the device turning off instead of just the screen just doing this. So anyway, get here and you want to hold power, volume up. To keep it enabled for a little bit longer, obviously you can just mess around with the pattern right here. It turned off, switch to volume up. When you see the Galaxy logo, Samsung Galaxy specifically, you can let go. It starts off by showing you just Samsung and then as the Galaxy. Once that shows up, like I said, you can let go. And this will take us to the recovery mode. Now, additionally, we can also unplug the cable. We don't need it anymore. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, and select the second option. So just press volume down once and power key. For some reason it was in Russian, I believe, so whatever. As you can see at the bottom, you'll see wiping data, and then last thing you should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now is selected by default. So press power key once again, and this will continue resetting the device and the background. Don't worry, this will be normal. It will take a couple of minutes to finish up. Once it has, you'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.